Hi, Elaine here with WTI. Do you love watch bands as much as I do? Then you are going to love this watch band set by Merlion. It is so gorgeous. I love the leopard print because it really spices up the silicone. Silicone is really soft and flexible. It will move with you in whatever activity you are involved in. I love this set. It has the basic colors, pink, gray, and black. I love to accessorize my watch, to dress it up, to wear it casual. I love to change it up all the time. You could even get it in many different colors, not just these basic colors, but other bright colors, and you can even get the silicone engraved in flower print. Those are gorgeous also. So if you're looking for a gift for yourself or for that person you love, then you are going to be so happy with this Merlion watch band set. I love it. I highly recommend it. And that's just my point of view.